Hi everyone, it's me, Saiza. Welcome to another episode of Babae, Sino Ka? Sino Ka? Well, it's been months since we haven't had this podcast, and now we're back. Because, we have to highlight a women, not just in ballroom, but women in the arts. It's like there are lots of stories about women that we can definitely learn from. And yeah, let's catch that. And for today's episode, she's a very special guest. I met her in ballroom, I think 4 years ago. Hindi ko maalala. But of course, we want to get to know more of her since sobrang talented niya. So, yeah. Guys, please welcome Miss Tay.
Hello, everyone! Thank you for having me, ma.
Yes, of
It's been a
course.
long time coming, gano'n. Kasi para sa Ballroom Eksena lagi ako nanonood niyan. And na-miss ko yung every episode niya. So, I'm so happy to be here sa Babae Si Mukha Podcast where
Yes, actually, I saw Tin. First time I saw you was during my debut.
yes,
Yun yung una kitang nakilala. I was like, I gagged. But syempre, she is more than who she is in ballroom. So I wanna know, sino nga ba si Tin before you came into ballroom?
grabe naman ang tanong. Miss Universe, ano pageant. Ano ba, I feel like I stayed the same before and after ako sumama sa ballroom scene, hindi ako nabago na ballroom seeker. Hindi ko kailangan i-change yung sarili ko to please, anyone.
Yeah.
Nag-start ako na isang content creator, beauty content creator. Nagre-review ako ng mga, beauty products, and then eventually pandemic happens. So, nag-create ako ng sabi ko, "Ano ba yung content na magagawa ko na hindi ko kailangan magpakita ng product na bumili lagi kapag may bagong release." Um, so sabi ko, wala masyadong gumagawa nung true crime, Philippines dito sa atin.
It's true.
Na-inspire ako sa mga podcast din na gumagawa ng mga true crime, pero mostly sa ibang bansa.
Yeah.
And then pag-search ko sa Philippines, wala yung gumagawa ng makeup ta's habang tumatalak parang makikipag-usap ka na sa Redvo. And then isa si Billie Saran sa na-inspire
Oh
ako.
my gosh, I know her. And so, super galing niya rin.
True, super. Fan ako since day one. And then, Pripsilo na podcast. So, sobrang na-inspire din ako sa kanila. And then, yun nga, nung pandemic, nag-search ako, a research rather, ng mga true crime na nangyayari sa Philippines. And then, nag-start ako no, unang episode ko um, si Barameda, yung, pageant queen na natagpuan sa loob ng drop. Man, may cement and tinapon siya sa gitna ng dagat. So, nung high school pa lang ako, hina-hunt na ako nung, news player. So, yun yung una kong episode. And then, from I think 900 subscribers, naging 9,000 dahil sa true crime. Yes. Ang daming, paano ko man masasabi, community na, interested sila sa ganong klaseng topic. And then, natuto din ako kasi habang nagkukuwento nag-apply ng makeup. So, every time, every episode, iba-iba na look.
Yeah.
So parang na-hone din yung artistry po when it comes to makeup, how to apply, ano nagwo-work, ano yung hindi. And then, na-apply ko din siya until now na professional makeup artist na ako as a freelancer.
It works. Yeah, that's so nice. Pero grabe, viral queen. Yes. True crimes in the Philippines. Oh my gosh. Ano yung yung like pinaka-shocking na na-research mo or pinaka nag-viral na episode mo na talagang nag-caught ng so many attention of the viewers?
Ano pa? Siguro yung sobrang controversial, yung palang Liga Massacre sa Mindanao. Nangyari siya during Marcos martial law. And then maraming nagpatay ng mga Muslim doon. And since I'm stating facts, syempre mga binabasa ko mga, law court rulings, mga jurisprudence, and, nilalagay pa din yung sources ko.
Yes.
Ang daming mga hindi naniniwala.
Yeah.
Mostly ano sila, mga follower.
Skeptical.
Hindi lang skeptical, followers sila nung before sa ating golden era na Ferdinand daw. And then they're attacking me na hindi ako credible.
Yeah.
And then masyadong personal din yung anak nila. And
Gosh.
siguro may two sides din yung pag-start ko ng true crime kasi other people commend you na, "Oh, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng makeup mo," or na um, nanonood ako or nakikinig ako habang may ginagawa ko chores or nagwo-work.
Yeah.
And half of them mostly parang nambabash.
Oh my gosh, yun yung mahirap, no? You really have to have, no, thick skin. Na parang, I don't care. I'm just gonna do my thing. At saka, it takes a lot of work and effort to like research on these crimes. Kasi syempre, hindi ka pwedeng lang ng dadaan na parang mema lang. It has to take a lot of work. So, curious lang ako. Like, for example, for an episode on a crime, like, how long does it take for you to research the facts? And, ano rin ba? Like, tumare, yung look mo for that specific episode, does it match the crime? Or how do you do it? How do you like,
Okay. So yung process ko, since hindi ako talaga avid reader.
okay,
Pag nagbabasa ako, inaantok ako. Pero what fascinates me, yung hindi dahil sa yung gumawa ng krimen, kundi andun yung heart ko dun sa mga apektado, sa mga biktima.
gets,
And then how, ano yung tumatakbo sa isip no suspect. And then usually 4 or 5 days ako nagbabasa ng mga articles, mga jurisprudence and all the court rulings. And then after 4 or 5 days, saka ako magno-notes. Kasi kailangan ko na
kailan din ang flow eh.
yes, iba enough na stock mo lang siya dito. Kailangan yung mga isasabihin mo sa camera, sa audience, ano siya, totoo lang nangyari, factual, and hindi ka magkakamali.
At saka may right flow, may right way of storytelling, exactly.
And then,
Para mas ma-capture mo rin yung audience.
and then, I make it my own way kung paano ko siya itatalak. So, for me, gusto ko yung parang nakipagtsikahan lang sa friend na, yan daw, ang keme-keme, habang nagme-makeup. So, ito na nga, yung mangyaring, no, June 24, 1968, mga ganon. So, hindi siya mga malalalim na salita. Mostly, magbilis mag-gets.
Very relatable.
Yes.
To your,
Sa audience, yeah. And then, after 5 days, mag-shoot ako one day. And,
edit.
hindi, shoot muna ako. Parang, sa madaling araw, kasi mainit sa amin. So,
Yeah.
sa madaling araw, kapag tahimik na lahat, tulog na rin siya. Inaabot ako hanggang morning kapag yung episode po at least an hour. And then, kinabukasan, mag-edit na ako. Siguro 1 or 2 days ako mag-edit. Tapos,
Daming skill.
and dami,
Skill na kailangan. May collage, writing, editing, research,
makeup. Usually, before ako mag-film, tumitingin ako ng mga inspiration sa Instagram, kung ano yung bet kong gawin. And mostly din, ng mga looks ko doon, ano siya, impromptu na. Bigla ka na lang siya maliisip during nagsi-film ako. So ayun, ako lahat, will send up ng lighting, no camera, no audio, makeup style, editing, pati yung thumbnail and all.
Yeah, my gosh, that's a different level of passion. Kasi syempre, kung wala lang, di mo siya mako-continue, di ba?
Oo,
True. Yeah, I love. So, follow her on her YouTube channel.
Martin Rule.
Yes, Martin Rules. Cause she rules.
Tapos ano ba?
Ano yung last episode mo? When was the last time?
Last episode. 2023? During yung height no, um, wait, what they call this? During nung height nung nangyayari sa Palestine.
Yeah.
So, ang hilig ko din kasi yung mag-create ng episode about sa mga current events, current topics na nangyayari. And yun nga, yung nasabi po na mostly dun ako sa mga biktima nagsa-side, hindi sa oppressor. Kasi, ano ba naman yung mag-side sa oppressor, be? Yeah, 'di ba? Tapos ano, natigil siya noong 2022, from 2020 to 2022 kasi when ano ako, nag-corporate girl, bumalik
Like super early because during that time we need the money. It's true, di ba? I mean, it's hard to survive. Lalo na during the pandemic, ang dami talagang um hirapan, affected and yeah, we need to do our thing.
and yung 2022 medyo maluwag. So, nag-work ako
As what?
as marketing analyst sa isang small startup tech company sa BGC yung office. Ta's nag-try ako na mag-produce pa rin ng content or episode every now and then. Pero since hindi siya masyadong nagge-generate ng income, siguro from 2020 to 2020 kung twice lang akong nag-earn sa YouTube kasi hindi siya enough.
Yeah.
Compared or versus sa effort na nire-release ko
Yeah.
every episode.
Yeah.
And aside from parang hindi man sa gusto ko ma-phrase or parang sabihin na lang na, "Oh, thank you for this episode," ganyan. Mostly nakukuha ko ano pa, negative and pangbabash.
Yeah.
And isa yon sa I think nagpaano sa'kin na
Wait, this is not giving me energy.
oo, nagpa-stop din sa'kin kasi yung iba threats,
Oh my God.
yung iba threats,
It's scary.
yung iba naman and since yung parang yung binabasa ko, medyo na-panic ako nung first year, tas double ako yung yung take, kasi ako lang
It gets real, no? Lalo na if you see it on your comments, on your socials, na parang nakakapraning siya.
yes,
It's true. It's true.
yun.
So it's for your safety, Rev.
Correct.
Yeah. Oh my God. Pero sobrang strong mo ha to like create those content.
Happy from a ship eh. Pero recently nga nakakuha ko ng ano, "Sis, asan ka na? Balik ka na sa paggawa ng
Ooh,
short."
it's a sign.
Nakaka-inspire and all, pero parang ko yung time ko na bumalik sa field na yun. Um, yeah, kailangan ko ng maraming energy para bumalik and time din sa pag-research.
Yeah. And now you're focused on being a makeup artist. Paano mo naisip na okay, I wanna pursue this artistry. I wanna see, I wanna like make my passion a profession. What was like the moment na parang, shucks, I've been doing this a long time na. I feel like I wanna like challenge myself that go to the next level.
So may friend na kasi yan, tas hinire niya ako na makeup artist, hindi pa ako nag-start. Parang yung bag mo lang sobrang liit, and mga ayan, mga makeup pa lahat. And then sabi niya, "Sis, di ka mag-try na ano, gawin mo siyang bread and butter mo, business. Since ang galing mo mag-makeup, ganyan, ganyan." So, napaisip ako kasi why not? And wala naman ako at this by that time umalis na ako sa corporate. Sabi ko, why not na gawin siyang profession since yung sa YouTube din hindi nag-create or nag-generate ng income. Why not although ang daming competition, daming makeup artist na mahuhusay dito sa Philippines, trinay ko pa din kasi katulad yan na may alam mo yun, nag-put ng trust sa akin to hire me to do her makeup and sinabi niya na why not gawin mo siyang work. Sabi ko, oo nga, baka hindi ko gawin. So ayun, nag-invest na po sa gamit, sa brush, sa makeup, sa makeup chair, sa makeup bag and all.
Tapos dumami ng dumami, yeah, makeup kit mo, lumaki ng lumaki.
Sa lighting, yeah, ayun, I'm still building yung brand. Yes, yung makeup business and all. And I'm still learning throughout the process, yung mga iba-ibang style at techniques.
Yeah.
And natutuwa naman ako na nag-generate siya ng income and makaka-pay ng bills, ng food, ng rent and all, of that. And ayun, I'm so thankful din na ikaw and other ballroom peeps, hina-hire ako to do their makeup and nag-put sila ng trust. So, ayun, thank you so much.
Yes. As a community, we're here to help each other and lift each other up. That's what we do. And you talaga, no, it really takes just one person to see you. Yes, like see your potential, trust your work, and like, and yung parang lalakas yung loob mo to like, yeah, why not? But technically, it's already there. You're already honing your skill. Every day when you do it, na parang when you research, when you try it, when you buy something new for yourself and for your skill. Pero minsan kailangan talaga ng push na, sis, kaya mo yan. And then you'd be more confident like, yes, why not? Yeah, go. I'm happy for you. Shout out to your friend. Fiery. Yeah, in the business. And that is also the reason why I had you for Babae Sinuka na the video that we had last time. So if everyone didn't see it, watch it. And hindi niyo makikita si Til sa video, but she is the reason why the ladies are so beautiful. She did their makeup and everything, their hair. So yes, it's proof of her work. It's proof of her dedication and how good she is and what she does. 'Di ba? So thank you, Dad, for saying yes to that project. As in no hesitation. As in like, go mother, let's do it. 'Di ba? I'm so thankful for you.
Lagi akong go sa mga, um, possibilities kasi may matututunan din ako din, eh.
Yeah.
And hindi nababa sa'kin na ano ba, mag-makeup sa 8, artist. And again,
Tapos dalawang looks din yun, 'di ba?
looks. Tapos ano ba, mostly may ano tayo, eggs and all. Pero yung more of like creative freedom, natutuwa ako na binigyan mo ako ng gano'n. And mostly yung look 2 nila ay yung look 1 nila fresh and parang bronzy. Yung look 2 nila inspired dun sa suot nilang super ganda. So, may mga pop of colors here and there. And, sobrang for me, ano siya, malalagay ko siya sa if gagawa ko ng makeup resume, magagawa ko siya yung as a makeup artist sa Babae Sino Ka. Kasi, it composed of like different talented women sa community and outside community. Plus, habang mini-makeupan ko sila, chini-chika ko din so mai-inspire kayo sa mga stories nila.
Yeah, that's true.
And game na game sila sa gagawin pong makeup sa kinarigi sila yung parang, "Ay baguhin mo 'to, ay idagdagan mo 'to." So, natutuwa ako na parang privilege for me na makasama sa Babae Sino Ka na project.
Yeah, it was really a collaborative work. And yun talaga yung purpose ng Babae sa Iba is like not changing you as an artist. It's like more highlighting what you are, what you do, and like showing the world,
The universe rather.
the universe, your talent, your skills, and everything. Yun siya talaga. It's really like putting spotlight on the women, on the women. Tata? Because we are sobrang lakas natin. We are so powerful. As long as we stick to each other, with each other, we support each other. Curious. Yeah.
I hear you.
Oh my gosh. And now, sobrang grabe sunod na yung bookings mo. Like,
Especially yung mga ganitong season.
yeah.
Pero may of course may season na wala talaga.
Yeah.
And gets ko naman.
Yeah.
Pero 'pag ganitong season na ang daming nagmumukha, ako na lang talaga yung napapagod. Pero laban pa din. Kasi hindi talaga ako tatanggi sa mga bookings.
At saka love mo naman siya eh, di ba?
Eto kami kasi ano, kapag gumagawa ako may gig ako or nagme-makeup ako, hindi ako napapagod na parang feel na naman. Never ko siya na-feel kasi siguro masasabi ko na I love my job, I love what I do. Kapag nagme-makeup ako sa different kind of people or personalities din, ano siya, masaya siyang piling.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is as in,
It's like a canvas, di ba? You raise and you learn, you really like share each other's souls. Oof!
tama.
Diba? work, meron ka bang dream project? Like dream na person? Ay, hindi, project muna. Dream project. When I say projects, like a creative output that you would want to do in the future. And second is a personality or someone that you would want to work with in the future.
Full ba? Well, hindi alam naman nakararaga na nag-start ako mag-makeup mostly mga creative, mga avant-garde, mga ano ka, mostly mga ganong looks. Out of the box. Before kasi nag-beauty, before you're fresh and glam. And tagal ko na nga siyang hindi ulit napapractice. So, parang get back to it. Siguro, parang that ko na project, yung mga mag-work alongside sa yung mga magazine, and editorial, yung makeup na gagawin ko, siya cover ng magazine, Rather Vogue, Mega, you name it, ganon.
Let's manifest. Let's go harder. And lulak.
And then, yung person siguro, since, inspired ako, sobrang hardworking, and until now, since she won, way back in 2015, work pa din siya. Sobrang hardworking niya. Si Pia, siguro, si Pia. Pia works pa.
Of course.
Still miss niya.
Ooh.
Diba?
Malay mo, diba? Just to say to the universe, malay mo in the future, there's an opportunity
For why not?
to like,
Taste, the queen. At nakakatawa, nag-event ako noon, hindi ako nag-transition na to. Na-meet ko na siya, sobrang short hair, as in, BQ, may Emmy. Tapos, so parang it's a full circle if ever
yeah, it happens.
na naka-work ka siya.
Oh my God.
Papakita ko sa kanya yung photo. And
Yeah, alam mo siya. I see like,
possible.
it's possible. Anything is possible. Just like, I'm excited for that moment to come.
Ako din.
I'm excited for you, for it to happen, diba?
At saka, naniniwala kami na yung mga nangyayari right now, it's leading up to something bigger.
Yeah.
Diba? So, why not? And I know one day, yung binanifest natin, and yung mga thoughts na naisip natin na gusto natin gawin, mangyayari yan. Siguro, once we put in the work and maging consistent tayo.
Yeah, true. That's the most important thing. It's like you have to between yourself what you can do and like just do it.
True.
No hesitation, do it one step at a time.
Yes.
And along the way, for sure, meron yung mga blockages or challenges. But it's really love what you're doing. Just stick to it. Kasi yung mga challenges na hindi yan dadating kung hindi ka may bigger purpose. Like you mentioned earlier. So, right mindset, the proper mindset as well is empowered that you really have to be strong and like have a clear vision of what you want to do, like who you want to be in life. Yeah.
Yes.
Diba? So do you have any advice to like to those like kasi yun nga ay sinasabi na saturated na yung industry na makeup artists. It's true naman. But what can you give like a short message to those who wants to step into the industry but medyo parang hesitant and all that. So
Ano ba? Ako kasi I'm still like in the process of trying to penetrate the industry. I cannot say na I'm one of like, yung laging nabobo or the best. I still look up to yung mga makikita natin makeup artist, mga artista. And may friend ako na nabubook siya for like editorial and all that. Si Kendrick, ang galing-galing mo. Ano ba? Sa mga nagbabalak, sa mga meron silang alam nilang ibubuga, alam yung may artistry sila pero nag-hesitate sila. I think kailangan nila mag-trust sa sarili nila eh. Kasi no one's going to save you but yourself. And isa din sa naniniwala akong at saying the only person standing is in your way is you.
yeah.
So kailangan mo mag-push through, trust yourself, and admit na of course may mga katulad sinabi mo ni na may mga blockages and challenges along the way, kasama siya sa process and, we don't have to be afraid. Kasi I know with failure, may matututunan tayo sa kanya.
Yeah.
And with that, we can also like use that to be better sa ginagawa natin, rather makeup or cosplay, sa ballroom or outside of those things that I said. Yes, kailangan magkaroon ka ng strong mindset din talaga para magawa mo yung gusto mo talaga kapag gusto mo talagang makapasa sa industry. And ayun nga, sinabi ko na I'm still in the process to like navigate and penetrate the industry. Kasi mostly ng gigs ko, referral, hindi siya parang out of the blue na, hello, nakita kita sa ganito, ang galing mo, pwede pa kitang i-book. Wala pa. I think isa or dalawa. Pero mostly referral and I'm so thankful sa ballroom scene and sa mga friends ko na they trust me to work with them, recommend din sa mga friends nila to do their makeup.
Yeah.
So yun.
Yes, doon siya nag-start, word of mouth.
True.
And I'm excited for you to be bigger.
Yan.
To like, yung para pa. And in the future, may assistant ka na. Yung gano'n.
Alam mo, binamali pa yan.
Yeah, di ba? It is what it is. And for sure, papunta na tayo dyan. Papunta ka na dyan. And work because of how you work, your professionalism, and how you really invest on the tools, on makeup mismo, and obviously seeing that you love what you're doing. Fab. Kahit puyat, galing
Diba?
green kahapo. Diba? Yung ginawa niya kapon was drag nila naman. So parang, push, laban. Was fab. And nakalimutan ko sabihin, nanalo sila. Oh my God, na sila. They won first place. Ko, diba, sabi. O, diba? Work. I mean, really one step at a time. Just be patient. And for sure, all the seeds that you're planting in every work and every phase talaga, every phase or every person that you work with, basta tutungo siya nandun.
Correct.
It'll grow and flow, expand.
Oo nga. Tas tuloy-tuloy lang talaga. And ano ba? Water your garden. Diba?
I love that. I love that.
Kasi nga, ikaw lang, luluwas mo na sa you. Ikaw lang talaga. So,
Walang iba. Magdidilig dyan. Fertilizer. I love it. I love it. I love that. Ito, my question. I'm curious question. Have you ever encountered like a client na medyo bara how do I say it, Buffy? Yung medyo pinaka na-challenge ka na client so far? Meron na ba? Or
so far, wala pa. That's okay kasi most ng mga clients po,
at least good energy. Good energy. And then natin i-manifest yung bare. Tama na virus na. Wag na.
at saka mostly ng clients ko, gusto ko kasi collaborative and
Yeah.
talagang pa sila, gusto mo color lipstick, sige, shadow, and pinuput naman nila yung trust nila sa akin na bahala, and after ipakita ko yung finished product sa kanila, yung finished look, wala silang parang
They're happy.
yes, they're happy, wala silang, ay bawas mo to, ay ganito.
Ay, that's nice. It's nice. Tama, huwag na natin i-manifest yung negative. And that's good. That's a good sign. Pero, let's go.
True.
I thought, I'll go.
Sorry. At saka kasi, yung mostly din magkilala kong ibang makeup artist, halimbawa sa wedding or bridal makeup lang sila, or iba naman creative. Tayo, versatile tayo, kaya natin mag-drag. Editorial, natin yung drag. Diba? Bridal. So,
You can't box yourself as like just in one industry.
True.
Because you are so flexible. And
wait. I'm sorry, Mandy.
you can do a lot, diba? Work. Yung question ko is, as an artist in makeup, do you have like a favorite color or look or blend na parang every time na yun yung color na ina-apply mo, parang palit ka to, yung ganun lang.
Yes. Ano ba?
Is there a specific color or way?
Siguro dalawa.
Okay.
Pag mga fresh, as you can see, mga brown tones yung nilalagay ko.
Yeah.
Mga bronzy.
Bronzing.
Ganyan, mostly mga ano lang siya, parang soft glam, fresh low, and ginagawa ko rin sa clients ko and add shimmer, perfect na. Kapag sa color naman, feeling ko, ewan ko, parang very early 90s or maybe 2000s. Kapag nag-apply ako ng baby blue eyeshadow,
Ano baby blue?
aside sa color siya sa plagdo, trans
Yeah.
community or transplant, pag ina-apply ko siya and yung very blended and blown out effect, ang ganda niya na effect. And then liner lashes are done.
Word. Super. Blue is the color of peace. It's the color of calmness.
The sea and the ocean.
And the ocean.
The sky. Diba?
Ay, kaya maganda yung energy. Yan tayo eh. Let's keep that. Let's keep that. Baby blue.
Ikaw ba, may meron bang cool
May
light?
favorite color ako. Ako, wait lang. Napunta sa akin. Din. Ako, well, favorite ko, gusto ko yung smoky. Na brown, dark brown siya, smoky, ganyan. Pero sa color naman, medyo mahirap kasi hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-experiment sa color. So, I just match it with my outfit.
Carried.
Pero, since lagi naman almost pink yung lagi ko suot, diba? Almost, or neutral. So, yun, those are my colors.
Yeah.
Nahirapan akong nahirapan akong mag-blend nung color. Kaya nga, naalala mo na nag-photoshoot tayo sa mesa. Sabi ko, ikaw bahala kung ano. Pero, oy, pakak talaga. I love. Hello, di ba kita kukunin lagi ko? Di ba? I always get her kasi I love her work and ano talaga, very professional, like on time. Yung very important sa akin yun kasi
Oo.
time and girl, I really happy with us working together as a super professionality. Yeah, so I'm excited for you to be able to work with Tin in the future kasi syempre, girl, trust. Hello.
Ganda-gandahan
Diba?
lagi. True. And I make sure din sa work ko, hindi siya maghuhulas or para pag-apply ko, makalipas ng mga 2 hours, hulas ka na. I make sure that magtatagal siya all throughout the day.
All day.
Sure.
Yes, kasi yun yung importante. Di ba parang, wait lang, ba't pa kaka-uday ko lang?
Oh, isang example siguro si Lian, may shoot siya sa body double ni Catherine sa Celsius 2 na pero I did her makeup mga 3 AM kasi may 6 AM siyang shoot. And then nag-last yun until mga 9 PM.
Or, yun yung importante yung laging handa, laging paka.
Correct. Lagi you ready.
Ready, always. Eto, question lang.
Yes.
Again, eto feeling ko like one of my last questions. Like, do you have a dream brand that you wanna work with in the future?
Of course.
Ano to?
Meron. Super inspire mo kay Dea Batmacat.
Oh,
Oo. Wala kasi yung works niya ever since, lagi lagi po siyang pinapanood, kina-follow yung mga products niya din, sobrang innovative. Batin, marat. Sobrang galing niyan as an artist and inspiring. Though, alam mo yun, parang malayo pero malapit na din.
kaya.
'Di ba? Kaya ima-manifest.
Yes.
Siguro yes, isa sa
Yeah.
mga brands that
Na you wanna work with for, diba? Reach for the stars.
Okay.
Ganun talaga. Daw, diba? Ate Pat, dalhin mo ako sa UK. Yes, see you in London.
Yeah.
See you there. Wow! Word.
Diba?
Oh my gosh. Wait! Nawala na ako paisip.
Ikaw tatanungin ko, charot.
Local naman pala.
Okay,
Local
local.
brand. Medyo, like,
Yes, yeah, local.
local brand that you wanna like, Kasi 'di ba like uso ngayon sa mga like beauty or content creator now, like they always have like a brand they partner with,
Yes.
showcase, ganyan. So, is there like a brand that you would wanna like locally
Yes, Vice Cosmetics.
kasi ginagamit mo yung ano products niya?
Oo, ginagamit ko talaga and maganda talaga. Kaya kaya, um, siya yung siguro gusto kong collaborate or work with in the future, Vice Cosmetics. Kasi si Easy and si Get Ready With Me, naka-work ko na sila before nung nagpa-content creator ako, content creation. Nag-send sila ng products and nire-review ko. And then si Vice hindi pa, so Vice Cosmetics hindi pa, kaya siguro si Vice Cosmetics yung luti.
Let's go. Yeah, to. Vice Cosmetics. Sabi, may gano'n ba? Do you still do it, ano ba, content creation now with beauty or you put it on hold muna since you have several projects with
Oo.
show makeup?
Oo, nag-stop ako noong 2023.
Okay.
Tapos na-focus sa makeup and sa ballroom, what else? Yun,
Do you think did it ever cross your mind to go back?
yes,
Ah,
lagi.
looking forward to that.
Di ba, lagi na. So,
Especially now, mas expert ka na sa artistry and mas marami ka ng products na na-try.
yeah, oo. Parang siguro hinahanap ko lang yung moment na, "Ay, eto na 'to." Kasi mararamdaman mo siya, na parang ready na ako, humarap ulit sa camera. Yeah.
Set up ulit na.
Yes, kasi di ba like kasi alam mo yan, marami kailangan i-consider kapag mag-fi-film, yung quality ng audio, kung maingay ba yung paligid, yung environment.
Actually, I'll be honest, hindi ko masyado alam.
Okay.
Kasi, Christopher C. photographs.
As a host kasi ka lang daw. As a
Ay,
host,
talaga. Okay,
host.
lighting, everything. I give that to him.
Be about to
Kaya sobrang ano rin ako sobrang like, iba rin yung respect ko sa content creators na talagang sila lahat. Kasi yung parte kang talaga ako. I'm just lucky that I have si Tifel and may arte-arte, ganyan. Pero yun, kaya nung sinabi mo kanina, yung as in everything, life, oh my gosh, takes a lot of work.
Ano siya, it comes to a point na medyo kapag halimbawa nangyari sa'kin na hindi ka ano ba, hindi naman kailangan ko kasi, kaya yun yung sinabi ko, kapag di siya nag-generate ng income, ma-burnout ka.
Yeah, I guess.
And mostly makakuha mo negativity, mabu-burnout ka sa ginagawa. And ako lang kasi mag-isa na nagsasalita sa camera. Wala kang parang kabatuhan. Katulad nito na ma-inspire ka na, "Hi, let's go, mag-record tayo." Wala. So, there comes a time talaga na mabu-burnout ka. And it's okay. Yeah, and we can always come back dun sa usual na ginawa natin before. Ayun, I can't wait din na bumalik.
Just listen to your heart, no? Kung kailan, kung if it's the right time.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll see.
With everything.
Close. Huh?
With everything, parang
Yeah.
pwede siya yung sinabi mo, listen to
Yeah.
your heart.
Yeah. That's true. Kasi kung time na, go. And if not, it's okay. Diba?
May one time, nag-try ako mag-film. Nag-set up na ng full battery and on, makeup yung mic. Tapos, pagharap ko sa camera, nag-try ako. Ang dami kong stutter. Tapos sabi ko, nawalan ako ng gana. So, sabi ko, pa na nga i-push. Kasi, di talaga siya tayo.
Yeah.
Sorry, Wol. Take your time din talaga na maging ready, na humanap sa camera or uh, do what you love to do.
Yeah. I feel like yun din you have to listen to what your heart is saying. Kasi if you force it, hindi rin, for sure kapag finance mo yun, hindi maganda yung kalabasan, di ba? And lalo ka lang si stress or anything. So, I mean, very important that you really follow your instincts, listen to your heart, and like, basta authentic yung ginagawa mo, it'll show, magiging undeniable yung work, makikita, magdaano siya.
May reflection. True. Yeah, makikita sa eyes mo kung ginagawa mo lang ba yun for the views, for So, makikita talaga kung passionate ka sa ginagawa ko, authenticity pa talaga nung, personality mo yung lumalabas. So, yun.
And I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy kasi grabe yung progression ng skills like from crime scene, like doing your own makeup, and now you're applying makeup to other people, making them feel happy, feel good about themselves, and 'di ba? Tas parang even for sure, yung sa corporate world, you've learned something, marketing, 'di ba? Grabe, and I see it. We see it, girl. Your energy is glowing and it is kaya rin siya kasama sa babae sino kasus. It's alive. It's that energy. It's that passion that I see in you. So I'm really looking forward to you winning in your artistry, winning in life, not just in ballroom and everything that you're doing. So I'm excited to see your name, Tigiri, Exkihan, and bigger.
Yes, kasi I always align din myself to people na, alam mo yun, may light sa kanila na magaan silang ka-work with. Syempre ayaw naman natin sino may gustong toxicity at mabigat ang work, alam mo yun? So, yes.
So yeah, we're looking forward to more clients.
Yes.
Booked in Martin Rules on Instagram and
So, I also did as part of the rules and then name ko to Tit de la Blanca ulit sa
oh yeah.
if karo yung makeup work or makeup, parang
Profile.
profile, it's face card title.
Work. I love that. Face card.
Di ba?
Face card by 10. Hello.
Mag-face card ka lang na ganyan. Accepted na ang payment.
Yes. Follow, like, subscribe, all her socials. And yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much, Tin, for your time. Thank you for sharing how you grew as an artist. Thank you for sharing your story. Thank you for being here. And syempre, thank you for always saying yes. Every time I ask you to like, kahit madalian, girl, like, go. Thank you for always making time.
Thank you, Rio. Ano din, never or never ako magsa-say no sa opportunity. Lalo na when it comes to you. Kasi alam ko din na hindi lang ikaw yung gusto mong parang or yung house or whatever yung gusto mong i-put in front, but yung people na alam mo and may trust ka na magsha-shine din. And you share the stage with sa ballroom scene din. And sobrang swerte namin na alam mo yun, ikaw yung trailblazer and all. And yeah, we're so blessed and happy na ikaw yung nag-guide sa amin.
Oh, I appreciate it. Pero syempre, di ba, kayo din, you give me that energy na parang, can't stop, won't stop. Ganyan. So yeah, thank you so much din for your day. So yeah, that's it for Babae, Sino Ka? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, of course, I want to thank the space. We are Shakeshifters. We're back. Thank you guys. Bye.